I've been working on. This one's just a cube with an axle built in. So it does that. This one is a pass-through axle. Can be super useful. You can of course attach off of whatever other sides of the centerpiece. This one is the sort of T. Probably be a little better if I extend the middle out there. So if you turn the center, the linked pass-through piece will turn as well. Or if you turn that piece on the sides, it'll move the center. Works both ways. And then this one will counter rotate the ends. So if you turn one way on one side, it goes the other way on the other side. And then also has a pass through in the center. This would definitely be useful for like, oh, that's a glitch. I have to look into that. Something broke it when I attached more parts. Yeah, it's kind of freaking out. Well, that one needs some more work. Gotta debug that. And then here's a scrap type hinge where it's just a little 2D thing. And then we've also got an even version, big 4-block one. And physics gone.